Welcome back, my friends. I've got another Louis Vuitton unboxing for you today, and this one is a bag that has been on my radar since Foxy LV on Instagram released pictures of it. It's something that a lot of us have been wanting LV to do for quite some time, and it's not exactly, I think, probably what we all wanted, but it's a pretty good approximation. Keep watching if you're interested in seeing what I've now added to my collection. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. I'm going to slip off this ribbon. Any guesses what this might be? All right. This is the latest piece to my monogram eclipse collection. And this is the Keepall Xs. As you can see, this is the monogram eclipse with the bat treated leather and the ruthenium, I guess it's ruthenium, or at least that black coated metal hardware. It has the gray, the reverse monogram eclipse, or the gray pattern on the ends. And it's interesting that it's upside down on both sides. I mean, we know that the LV, when it's made of just one solid piece of canvas, now, okay, this is quite interesting. Oh yeah, okay. All right, because I rotated it. So here we go. Here it's upside down. But this is upside down over here, and this is upside down over here. That's just bizarre, since this is different pieces of canvas. I don't know if that is a style choice or if this is somehow an error of manufacturing. I haven't seen too many YouTube videos yet on this bag, and I'm going to have to do a little bit more research. So it does have the little top handles, and they're small. This is really going to be more handheld. You're not going to be able to, at least I'm not going to be able to fit my wrist underneath there, but that's okay. There was a City Keepall, but the problem with the City Keepall is that it does not have a top handle. So it is strictly a shoulder or crossbody bag. What I am excited about with this particular bag is this strap. As you can see, it is in that reverse monogram, and you can actually, it has this little piece of leather to kind of help steady it, but you can remove this piece and then be able to use this particular strap with other bags or other pieces, like my Trio Messenger. And this is adjustable, so it gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 different holes, or actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different holes to adjust the length. And this does have the rotating clips, which is nice. Inside the bag, it is just a big black hole. This particular piece, oh, interesting, was made in France, and I don't feel anything. So this is it is a chip bag, so there's no date code in here. And here's the treated, the textile card, coated fabric, cowhide leather. And here is the Keepall Xs details if you're interested. As I said, just a big black hole, no pockets. Here I've got some of my essentials. So, of course, this is an old phone. Fits in nicely, no manipulating to get it in there. I have my flat card holder, and if you watched my most recent unboxing, this is from Aspinall of London. So that fits nicely in there. I also have my little zippy purse, has extra cards and cash, and that fits quite easily there. I have my sunglasses case, and that fits quite nicely. And then my LV Empreinte 6-ring key holder, and that fits easily, zips up. Now let's see if I do have a little bit of extra room, but I'm not quite sure if I can fit my mini pochette in there. If I don't have my, let's take the sunglasses out. Here's my mini pochette, and I can substitute that in, substitute that instead of the sunglasses, and fit my 6-ring key holder, and again that zips up pretty easily, doesn't look too full. Now if you're curious as to whether you can fit in a full-sized wallet, you can go ahead and take out my coin purse and my flat card holder. This is a Jean wallet, and so this is a full-sized wallet, and do have to maneuver, and then I can fit my 6-ring key holder. The phone is in there as well. Let's see. Let me see if I can. Right. I think I can fit my sunglasses in there. And then 6-ring key holder. And then this does zip up. Okay. So again, you can fit a full-size wallet in here, but not a whole heck of a lot more, but it does hold all the essentials. Because this is such a small bag, it is nice to be able to just stick to use small pieces in here. So thanks for watching this quick unboxing and what fits in my bag. If you are interested, I will be doing a comparison between this XS Keepall or Keepall Xs and my City Keepall, which is larger, but as I said before, does not have the top handle and is strictly a shoulder or a crossbody bag. Obviously much larger, but I can do a comparison between this bag, the City Keepall, and my Speedy B25, so you can kind of get an idea of what the different sized bags can hold and how they differ in terms of construction. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, I would love it if you joined my YouTube family by hitting that subscribe button, as well as the bell to be notified of any future videos. If you like this, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Have a great week. Bye.